Guys! For today's video, I went to the mall last week, I think. Yeah, probably last week, yeah. And I got some clothes, you guys. I haven't been to the mall in like weeks, y'all. So I finally got some clothes, some summer clothes and stuff. And I was like, you know what? I could just, try them on, open them, blah, 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 put them in my closet, boom, done, But instead, I kind of want to do a haul. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do a haul. It'd be great for another video. And I haven't done a haul in quite a while. Also, if you guys haven't seen my shirt, look, it's Thrasher. I love this shirt, you guys. Well, it's a sweater, but like I love this shirt because when I first saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I love that, I need it, blah 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 blah. But I didn't want to get it at that time. I don't know why. It's something I just didn't want to. And then people started wearing it, and then it looked good. I was like, you know what, this is gonna look great and cute, you guys. So I know I'm very excited. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. All right, and if you guys hear any noise, like the heater, AC, whatever, is literally like right here, you guys. So if there's like a little noise, that's probably it, okay? I went to American Eagle, you guys, and American Eagle is one of my favorite stores ever, you guys. They have a lot of cute stuff, you guys. I love it there. I love their clothes, but it's like kind of expensive, you know what I mean? Like not really, but like, I'm gonna, I have the receipts, y'all, the receipts. I have the receipt, you guys, so I know how much things cost. And as always, in every haul, I will try to put all the items down in the link below so you guys can have them, check them out, stuff like that. So yeah, okay, let's start with the first thing. I got these pairs of shorts, you guys. They're very cute. They're just like this. I know they look kind of long, they're really not, but I've always wanted these kinds of shorts. Like I don't know why, but in the past I didn't like shorts. I don't know, maybe it's because my legs were pretty chunky and stuff. But now like I know how to style with them. So this one was very cute, you guys. Definitely chose this one. This one was, let me see. Oh my gosh, what does it say? Good lord. Alright, honestly, I don't know, you guys. I'm like trying to find it and I really don't know. I'm so sorry. But usually these, telling from my receipt, y'all, was most likely $44, around there, around the $40-ish around there. Because I remember most of these jeans, most of these like shorts were like $44. Yeah, I will link all of these down below. Okay, let me just try to organize it because I don't want to make a big mess, y'all, either. I got these other shorts, you guys. They're like a dark blue shorts. Same thing, front and back. I really like them. I couldn't find a lot of colors. Like I found like the normal colors, but I had like, the only two colors I had were like light blue and then like a like kind of salmon pink kind of color. So I really wanted a variety. But yeah, like these shorts, you guys, mostly are around like the $40 range, okay? Just so you guys know. And so, let me see. The next one is also a blue short, you guys. Oh, blue shorts. These are a lighter shade than the other one. The other ones were like darker. This is a lighter shade, you guys. Same thing. It's the same exact pattern, just different color. $40, you guys. I really like these shorts. I cannot wait to try them on. I cannot wait to style them and take some cute pictures, you guys. I have any of the shorts. No, okay, I should go with the shirts now. I got some pretty cute shirts, y'all, and I'm gonna tell you why I got these shirts. So I have this shirt, you guys. It's just like dotted, like if you guys can see it. It's like a dotted type of shirt, and the reason I like these shirts, you guys, these that have these like type of things and stuff, like the buttons, is because I don't know. I was like looking up on Google like many photos of like shorts with cute shirts and stuff like that, and usually most of them had like these types. Like they weren't like these types with like buttons and stuff. So I cannot wait to try these on with the shorts. This is cute. I love it. Let me see. Oh, I have even the second. Alright, this was $34.95, you guys. Okay, let me try with this shirt. I love this shirt, you guys. Okay, so I got this shirt. Was there an American Eagle thing? No, there wasn't. It's just a plain shirt. I got this basic beige shirt, you guys, and this was $19.95, which was a pretty good deal, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, this one's like with like the buttons, except it's like short sleeve instead of like the other one that has like the thingamabob. I don't know what that's called, y'all. I really don't. I'm so sorry. But I got this, you guys. It looks pretty cute. I like this color. I know how to match colors and stuff, so I know what I'm gonna wear with this. I got one more shirt, you guys, and this one is it's a pretty cute shirt. I like this shirt, you guys. So there's this one. Oh my gosh, it kind of blends with everything. Good lord. Okay, so this shirt has like this white just line right here, and honestly, I love the shirts, you guys, that have like just like lines of different colors, and it's not like a blending color or anything. I don't know, I've really been into that. This one was $34.95, you guys, and I like it. It almost feels like a denim type of thing, but not like a heavy denim, you know what I mean? Like not like jean denim, but like a light denim, if that makes any sense. I don't even know. But this is pretty cute, you guys. I really like this. The next items I got are usually boxers and stuff like that, because y'all, let me tell you guys, American Eagle has some pretty cute ass boxers and cute ass like things to wear, you guys. When I say cute, they're like cute. So let me start off with well, all of these are cute. Let me start off with these two. Alright. So at American Eagle, the boxers were like buy one, get one 40% off, which is always great. I think they usually always have that. Not sure. But I got this one. This one, oh, I love the texture. I love the design, you guys. These are so cute. But yeah, I got this one, you guys. Has the American Eagles all around. It's like an orange type of thing. I really like these, you guys. And then I got another one. The same design, just in blue, you guys. I got it in blue. I think the Eagles, yeah, these Eagles are a lot bigger than these ones. But American Eagle really does have some cute stuff, you guys. Like, look, oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. I love the colors too. Okay, these next two, yeah. Oh, I forgot to say how much these were. Crap. Okay, they're usually most of these were $12.95. Most of these boxers were $12.95, which is a good price. Okay, these next two, you guys. These next two are so cute, you guys. So cute. I love these, you guys, and so glad I chose these. Oh, they even sit on the back. Yeah, $12.95. Okay. So I got this orange one. It's just orange, like plain orange color. And you guys, why does American Eagle have such cute shit? But look, you guys. But look, yeah, it's just yellow. I think it's a little bit too bright. There you go. I love this. I love pastels. I love light colors, you guys. And the last one, I'm saving the best for last, because this is this is like my favorite out of everything I got. This is my favorite, you guys. These two, the yellow and this one, because they're so cute. Am I sweating? Oh my gosh, I think I am. Oh, these pink pears, you guys, and they have like tiny, they're not polka dots, but they're like this like kind of circly flower design. And guys, these are so cute. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear these, you guys. Like, look at this. Look at this. It has like this tiny pattern. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera. Maybe you guys can see it. But like, guys, these two, you guys. These two, you guys, were my favorite. I just, I love these. But yeah, most of these were, gosh, most of these were $12.95. All of these were $12.95. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys love it. I haven't done a haul in a while, and I really wanted to. This was some cute stuff, you guys. I will link everything down below in order, and if I don't find it online, then I'll say like not available, just like my last one. You could probably get it in your store. You can find it in your store or whatever, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys love this haul. I'm gonna try to do more hauls if I can. I'm really excited. I hope you guys loved the video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. It will all be down below, you guys. And join the squad and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!